What's up, guys? So I'm working on this '06 Volkswagen Passat 2.0 turbo, and I couldn't really find any videos online on how to change this cam position sensor. I'm not sure if I was Googling the right thing or not. So I ended up figuring out where it was, and I already pulled it out. This is the old one right here, and this is the new one. So I already matched up the parts, they're good. And if you have a 2006 Volkswagen Passat 2.0 turbo and you need to change this out on yours too, I'm going to show you exactly where it is. So it's right in between here. Let's see if I can record. It's right up there. So pretty much right by your timing cover. If you follow that down, it's right there. And then I used a 4mm to get it out, but I believe a T30 will work too. You just be careful, you don't want to strip it. And yeah, so there's one connector that plugs in, obviously, and that's pretty much it. So I would show you guys me putting it back together, but I'm using my phone and I don't have a tripod to put my phone on. But the only reason why I'm replacing this is because the car was misfiring. So I replaced the spark plugs and coil packs. That didn't fix it. So when I scanned it again, it told me that the camshaft position sensor was bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace this and see if it runs a lot better or not, and then I'll go from there.